Now, you can also analyze what's happening on your website to see if it's working or not. So if you change the headline, if you added social proof, if you remove the menu bar, is it working, yes or no? So for e-commerce, there are some metrics that you should focus on. So you can use GA4 to tell you exactly where the biggest drop-off is happening. So you can actually focus on one section. So you can use the funnel expiration dashboard or report in GA4 and you can get an overview. And for metrics, between homepage to product page, focus on time spent. It's all about the 5 seconds, right? Did they understand what you sell? Did the hero section deliver? So if they spend more than 5 seconds, it means yes. If they scroll down, so if you measure the scroll depth, it means yes. Your hero section did its purpose. Now let's focus on the below the fold. Between product page and add to cart, it's all about them adding to cart. So is my product page so clear that it puts people to add to cart? So you can also measure add to cart rate and of course time spent and click-through rate. And then we have add to cart to checkout ratio. So if people add to cart, do they initiate and start the checkout process, yes or no? And if they did they actually end up buying, yes or no? So these metrics can help you understand what's happening between the stages. And at the end, you can calculate your conversion rate, your customer acquisition cost, your average order value, and your customer lifetime value. And I would do this per channel because you can see people who came from Facebook ads, people who came from email marketing campaigns. You can measure every single one of them and you can see which channel is the most effective. So this actually measuring this on your website can help you optimize your awareness strategy. And that's why I always say that your conversion rate optimization start at the awareness level. So measure all of these per channel and per campaign to see what's working and what's not working.